Welcome to Subtitle Off. This is a podcast where we talk about different topics and help you learn English in a fun and natural way. Today, we're talking about trucks. Let's hit the road.
Hey, Nick. So after you get loaded at the shipper, what's next?
Next step, call or message dispatch. You got to let them know you're loaded and ready to roll.
Is that like a quick check-in, or do you have to give details?
Depends on the company, but usually you say something like, "Hey, dispatch, I'm loaded and rolling to Denver, ETA 6 p.m. tomorrow." They'll confirm your route, delivery time, and sometimes check your hours of service.
Sounds simple, but I bet sometimes it's not.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes dispatch changes your plan last minute. Like, you're ready to leave, and they say, "Hold on, new pickup in Kansas City instead." So you gotta stay flexible. It's part of the game.
And what if you're running late?
Always call ahead. Say, "Traffic's bad on I-70. I'll be about an hour behind." Dispatchers hate surprises, but they respect drivers who keep them updated.
I like that. Communication is key.
100%. Also be polite, even if you're frustrated. Some drivers yell at dispatch, and that never helps. If you're calm and clear, they'll help you out faster next time.
So for our English learners, here are some key trucking phrases. Loaded and rolling. You've picked up your freight and started driving. ETA, estimated time of arrival. Hours of service. Abkorkarnerf, your legal driving hours. Check call equals update your dispatcher on your status.
Perfect. And one more. Empty call. That's when you deliver and let dispatch know you're done and ready for the next load.
Love that. Thanks, Nick. Next time we'll talk about at the way station.
Can't wait. That's where things get interesting.